Okay, as I've indicated to my other subscribers, my subscribers for my air, earth, and fire trine, I was on a little sabbatical. I was a little, me time. I needed to sit in the corner a little bit, maybe not like Dennis the Menace, but to sit in the corner and understand and just reevaluate and take some space to breathe, take some space to grow. So I'm here back with you making videos for you. Again, my apologies to you, my followers and subscribers. So here we go once again, and this video is for water trine. Water trine, you are Pisces, Scorpio and Cancer. So let us see what is in store for you for the upcoming period. And as I usually do, this is my Lenormand pack with my 9-card spread. And we have the ship, sun, birds, stars, lilies, lady, sight, crossroads, tree. And kind of all over there, water trine. And water trine is all about emotion. And the central card here is about older persons, retirement, elders, the King of Spades. You're looking at somebody who's thinking deeply about, chucking it all or taking some time off, like myself. Thinking about probably what is in the future, what has happened in the past. And in the past, you traveled, you had a lot of hopes, wishes, ambition, and some things just didn't work out. There was sudden cuts to your dreams, your travel, your ambition. Some things just didn't work out for you in the past, but you are here in the future. Happiness is there, beauty is there. You are at a crossroads. You are looking for guidance, and probably the elders are the ones who are to guide you there, because these birds here in the future tells you there's going to be discussion, there's going to be talk, there's going to be some lady who may or may not assist you, but the foundations, the tree, is going to give you health, healing, growth. So that, there's some lady in the future who's going to discuss with you, speak with you, or talk with you. But this could also be talk at work, chatter, discussion. Some people leaving you out of the clique, but you need to listen to the chatter, probably surf the internet a little wider, probably look at what your friends are doing, what they're saying, what your family is doing, and what they're saying, so that guidance can not only come from the elders in the community, they can come from those around you. Because while you are happy, but you have to make a decision, because this crossroad here is telling you you have options and choices. That even though things didn't work out in the past with your traveling, with your dreams, ambition, that it was cut short and there was some kind of, danger, because some deceit, some manipulation, somebody wasn't, upfront with you, which is why things didn't work out. You are here now, you still have a crossroads, you still haven't made a decision, but you're quite happy. You had some new beginnings, there was some success, you are happy, and you are trying to see what is in the future. And the future here says to listen to the chatter around you, broaden your network, so that you can probably encapsulate more chatter, more discussion, more gossip, as it were, and understand what your decision can be. This lady here is going to help you with new beginnings and a new start, and it's going to bring about your healing. You might even delve into the spiritual nature of what is happening, like I did in astrology in my time of need. And it worked out for me, that I understood the answer to the why question we always ask: why me? And I got that answer. I was not pleased or happy, but I got an answer, so that I am comfortable understanding the why. So this might just be for you, that you have to understand the why, and where you're going, because you have to make a decision. Listen to the guidance, listen to the elders, understand what they're trying to tell you. And let us see what these moon cards are going to tell us about where your mind is at, and what it is, you are going to probably have to do or help to make that decision. So let us see what these moon cards are going to bring up for you, water trine. And let us see. And like the other cards, I just don't feel like, it's probably a change and regurgitation and regeneration. But I just don't feel like taking the top card. And it tells you Moon in Libra. And Moon in Libra tells you to avoid making serious decisions and instead focus on creating harmony within your relationships. So, that is part of the guidance for you, water trine. You know, leave the decisions for the time being. You're at a crossroads, but you have to make those crossroads. But wait until the guidance. Wait until you hear the chatter, the discussion, the talk in your network. Widen your network a little bit. Some woman or lady is going to come to you and have a discussion and talk with you, and that is going to bring some clarity when you can make those serious decisions. And the foundation here, tree has deep roots. It has many roots, so people will surround you who will give you that stability and endurance. So this is telling you at the end of the day, take a little time for yourself, like I did. Take some me time. And this is a message for you, fire water trine, sorry, for the upcoming period.